Hi, hello there. How are you? So I have Cuboosjeh with me. Obviously he's not talking yet because he's dead. So today I will be painting this little guy here, but instead of doing the body first like I did with this little fella over here. With this little guy over here, I'm first gonna paint the eyes, the eyebrows, the mouth, everything, and then afterwards I'm gonna be putting like a mask on him. So yeah, let's get painting. It looks awful, but hey, it's fine. Hi and welcome at the paint shop. Look at him. I love the color. I love the blue color. Look at him. It's so pretty. So with the red one, with Pyraoosjeh, I tried to paint with a brush. But now I'm going to be trying to do it with an airbrush. So I got paint. I got tape. And I will be taping off his not paintable areas. Okay, so we have the little guy here. And let's see how it looks. What the I was expecting something else, but it's fine. I'll fix him. You're in good hands. Don't worry about it. You're in good hands. So I got little guy blue again. He is perfect. And now I will be painting the eyes and stuff with them with black. And I'm done. Thank goodness. Look at it. Amazing. Next up is leaving him to dry. And then he's gonna get a little varnish coat. And then I'm ready with my second artwork I've ever made. Yay. Alright, so we're at the paint shop. And today I'm here with Cuboosjeh. You're so cute. Yes, you are. You're cute. I think so far this is my favorite one. Don't tell the red one. So, like always, I'm gonna pop him in here. And he's gonna get his varnish coat. Alrighty, so he got his first varnish coats. Now I'm gonna leave him to dry and then I'm gonna come back for a second one. Alright, bye-bye now. Bye-bye. Whoa! Look at it! Look at it! Look! And yes, I'm wearing my jammies. It's just beautiful. It's beautiful. If you like what I do, if you like these little guys that I make, subscribe.